Hello everyone, my name is Jose S. Dalmasio from BSCS 4A. In this video, I will discuss the codes and output of laboratory number 7 entitled K-means clustering. Let's go!
A few moments later.
Import libraries. Essential libraries for numerical computation, data manipulation, clustering, and visually are imported. Load dataset. This IRIS dataset provides data and true label. The label are not used in clustering but can validate result. Standardized data. Features are scaled to have zero mean and unit variance using standard scaler to improve K-means performance. K-mean clustering. K-mean is applied with 3 clusters, matching the datasets through class count. The cluster labeled and centroid are obtained. Dimensionality reduction. PCA reduces the feature space to dimension. For easy visualization, both data point and centroid are transformed to this space. Visualization. A scatter plot is created to show data point colored by cluster and centroid make with red X PCA component are labeled on axis for interpretability. And this is cluster separation. Well-separated cluster indicate effective K-mean performance, while overlap suggests poor distinction between groups. Cluster overlap. Minimal overlap show the good clustering. Significant overlap indicate issues like similar data distribution or nonlinear separability. Cluster shape and size. K-means assumes spherical cluster. Uneven or elongated cluster suggests a mismatch with K-means assumption. Centroid position. Centroid should be at the geometric center of the cluster. Misplaced centroid indicate suboptimal clustering.
A few moments later.
And that's all for the laboratory number 7. I hope you learn more and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye! Bye!